everyone. So today I'm really excited because I've been wanting to do some of these videos all summer, but I've been so busy I haven't been able to do it. Today's video is going to be a decoration haul, a home decor haul. And this is just going to be like a compilation, just random, of different home decor things I have accumulated throughout the process of buying a house, and some that I had before but I really love. I'm going to show you some of my favorites and then let you know where they are, and I'll make sure to link everything down below. First, we're going to start with my favorite faux plants, and this I got at TJ Maxx. Is this cute little pig planter. It's really tiny actually. I don't know if you can see, but it just has a little fake succulent in it, and I think it's super, super cute. I do like real plants, but sometimes I like putting plants in places where they wouldn't really grow well, they wouldn't thrive. I think this guy's so cute. I also got this really cute little wreath from Target for $3 in their little like deal section. I think it's super cute. I think I'm gonna hang it somewhere in the bathroom. I haven't decided yet. It will go somewhere in the bathroom. I just don't know where in the bathroom. But yeah, it's this super cute little wreath. Woo! These cute little succulents I have these resting on the mirror in the bathroom right now. They are also fake. They're super cute though, and they were $1 each. I got them at the Dollar Tree. I got them a few months ago now, so I'm not sure if they still have them, but yeah. This is a good deal. This is a good deal. So my sister got me this super, super aesthetically pleasing monochromatic globe, which I love. It looks perfect in my office right now. It's just gonna go on the edge of my desk. She purchased this at Home. We don't have an at-home store in Missoula or Montana in general, I think. I don't think anywhere in Montana does. But she's living in Houston, Texas right now. So she hooked me up with the goods. It is so cute. I love, love, love it. She also got me these super cute coasters. These are also from At Home. They're kind of like a slate and a marble stripe mixture. Let me pull one out of the little package here. You can see them better. They're so freaking cute. I'm in love with them. I want to keep them up in my office, but that's a little selfish since I'm the only one drinking anything up here. I'll probably end up putting these down in the living room once we finish the living room, but right now all the decor is up in my office because the entire main floor isn't done yet. So yes, love these though. Thank you, Alicia. I just realized this is gonna be the most random video because I'm just picking random decorations, but these are also really cute little wall planters I don't like gold. I know it's on trend right now, and I like it in other people's spaces, but I don't like it in my own. The little hanging part, I'm gonna spray paint black and then keep the pots white. And I'm not sure where these are gonna go, if they're gonna go in the main living area or somewhere in my office, but I think they're super cute. They were on sale at Shopko. I can't remember. I think they were both under $10, but I can't remember how much they were exactly. My next decor piece is probably one of my favorites. We got it as a gift from good family friends, and also she helped us with our mortgage, so she was our mortgage broker. But the Manlove, Teresa Manlove and John Stordahl, got Lane and I this beautiful sign for outside our house. This is our address. And it's this beautiful steel sign that's the Montana roots cut out. These letters, or numbers, I mean, can be moved around to do whatever sort of like little pattern you want. I'm absolutely obsessed with this. It is so beautiful, and it was such a thoughtful gift. And I can't wait until we can like hang it up outside. We probably can now. We just originally had planned we were going to paint the outside of the house this summer, and that's absolutely not happening. That will happen next summer, so we'll probably hang this up in the meantime. But yeah, this is so, so cool. So for the next one, I need to give a little backstory. When I was growing up, I was absolutely obsessed with rocks and crystals and minerals. Before it was like the cool vibey thing to do, I had crystals all over my room, literally hundreds of rocks. I was bound and determined that I was going to be a geologist. I'm not. But I still have all my rocks because they're really, really hard for me to get rid of. I spent a lot of money on them. I also got a lot of them as gifts. And honestly, like a lot of my childhood memories are in these rocks. My grandpa and I would go on like rock field trips to like go identify rocks out in the wild and like, yeah. So they mean a lot to me. They're super sentimental and also they're gorgeous. So it's really hard to just get rid of them. But this next rock is just a giant quartz geode. And as you can see, I mean, it's big. It's like bigger than my face. I have both halves of it. So I don't know if you can kind of see how sparkly and pretty it is. It's kind of hard right now. But anyways, it's super, super gorgeous and a beautiful statement piece on bookshelves. So I have both halves. I'm not sure where I'm gonna put them. I know one I'm gonna put in my office because I'm obsessed with it, but I also have the other half, so that will probably go down in the main dining living room. I love this so much. I paid $100 for both halves at Gem Mountain in Montana. That's a really good deal for these rocks. I know it sounds expensive, but it's really cheap actually. So this is super gorgeous. Love this. If you're into rocks, recommend that you look around and look at local places. A lot of local places have rocks for cheaper than some of the big outlet places. I know like Target sells them now, TJ Maxx, Ross sell things with crystals or geodes in them, and just like be cognizant that they're going to be marked up quite a bit than if you went to a rock and crystal museum or store to buy rocks. Another one of my favorite decor items, I don't know, is this little jar thing that my sister got me. Michaela got me this as a housewarming present. It's super cute. And her idea was to put a fish in it. She knows someone that has this exact little jar thingy, and they put like a little betta fish in it. I'm not sure if I'm gonna put a fish in it or not, but I love this and I know I'm gonna figure out something to do with it. It's perfect. It's exactly my style. And I don't know how much it was. I don't know. It's from Bath & Body Works, everyone. Okay, back to the rock thing for just a minute. My sweet, sweet friend Mary, I think it was last Christmas or the Christmas before, I can't remember. She got me this beautiful geode candle that smells amazing. Like, also, I want you guys to check out the geode first because it's super pretty. This candle is super sentimental to me because Mary like totally nailed it on picking this out for me, and it was a really, really sweet gesture and gift. I'm obsessed with this. This will absolutely be going in my office because no one else gets it. This is mine. It's very weird to say about a candle. It's really cool. She actually got it at a craft fair in California. It's so, it smells so good. I haven't had the heart to burn it, but the company, if you do burn it down, you can send them your rock and they'll whatever it's called, fill it and make a new candle out of it, which is a really cool idea. I love that so much, but I'm probably not gonna burn it because I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. One is this super cute planter I got at Herberger's actually. Herberger's is a chain store in the Northwest. Sure most of you have heard about it. That is going out of business. I honestly never really shopped at Herberger's a ton. I bought all my Calvin Klein dresses from there pretty much exclusively, but I didn't buy any of their home decor stuff because it was kind of expensive for me because I'm poor. This planter was originally $60. I believe it was 60% off and then another 20 or like something pretty, oh, it was more than that. I think it was 80% off because I know it was under $20. And I thought this was like super cute and just like a fun little planter. It would look really good on a dining room table in the middle eventually. And so that's the plan for this guy. It was bought with the intention of that, but I know it would work throughout the house, other places, because we love this black metal look. And then this little basket I'm so obsessed with, okay? So my little sister Michaela got it for us for another housewarming present, and she bought it, and it was gold originally. She has hints of gold in her room, and gold is so cute, like I said, but not my style. So I spray painted it black, and I'm absolutely obsessed with this. Like, this is one of my favorite decor pieces. One of my favorite decor pieces now. I keep saying decor, that's not a thing. Anyway, look how cute it is. It's very cute. Okay, bye. Okay, so here's my last one I'm going to show. This is kind of big for how I'm sitting. I don't know if you can see it because I'm also wearing black, but it's this really cute little like house frame with a little wooden bottom. And I got this at World Market, actually. I think it was full price at like 25 or something like that. It was full price at 15. And I ended up getting it for like $6 because it was on sale, which is such a killer deal. Like, I think this is super cute. I'm not exactly sure how I'm gonna style this, but this will be going downstairs. Love this piece. Love, love, love it. It reminds me of Joanna Gaines this way. Duh. Oh, one last thing. So the last one I was going to show is this mirror. I got this at Target. Oop, there's my ring light. Okay, so I got this at Target for, I think, $15 on sale. This was a super good buy. This will be going downstairs, like in the stairwell. Like once you enter the stairwell, this will be hanging there, which I think is going to be very fancy and nice because I'm loving circle mirrors right now. Everywhere I look for circle mirrors, they're all gold. Everywhere. So it was really cool that Target had one black because that's what I want. I don't want the gold, I want the black. If you want to see more videos like this, especially about my decor and how I'm decorating my house, please give this a thumbs up and leave some comments below. I would love to hear what you want to see, and I'm thinking kitchen edition and wall hanging decoration edition. So let me know if you guys are interested in seeing those, and if you have anything else that you'd like to see, I'd love to hear it.